In this video, I want to talk about something that you probably already know about, but if you don't, you should, and that is the battery daddy. I love this thing because I was tired of having all my batteries rolling around in a drawer and not knowing if they were charged or not and getting them all confused. And at a certain point in your life, you really come to appreciate stuff like this. This is thin enough to sit in your drawer. I keep it in a cabinet, and it stores a ton of batteries. So it has these clips right here to open this up, and it's nice that these panels are clear so you can see what you have in here. This can hold up to 8 D cell batteries, 8 C cell, 58 AA, 68 AAA, and 4 9-volt batteries. And it also has a spot for button cells or watch batteries. And I have this chock full of them. And it also comes with a battery tester. This will test all of these batteries. So AAA, AA, C, D, 9-volt, and even the button cell batteries. This is how you would test it. It has a diagram right here. Positive goes like this, negative right here. And this will go up showing that it's good. And then we'll do a 9-volt. That goes in like that. And it'll show that that is good. So that's really cool to have. You can eliminate dead batteries. It is double-sided. And on this side, it's all AA, which is the most common battery in my house. So it's nice that you have storage for all these right here. So again, you may have heard of it already, but it is one of those silly things that I get excited about. Just being able to throw all of my batteries in one place and know where they are at all times. And you can take it camping with you. You can take it and have one in your car, have one in your house, whatever the case. But if you were looking for some good battery storage, I highly recommend this thing right here. Thanks for watching.